Thank you, Arno. Good evening, everyone. Just very briefly, I'm here to, as Arno suggests, to cement our new cooperation, which at Video Arts we're very excited about. We've seen very briefly just an example in terms of the development of our library in recent years towards, again, along the same theme, creating short, bite-sized and micro-learning, very much around our strength of video and high quality and the best subject matter expertise. That was just a sample of the Wellbeing Essentials, which had won 3 international awards, and this week I just heard that we won for that series award at the Cannes Corporate Media and TV Awards. So Arno will probably want to go to Cannes now and claim the award. Well, thank you. As I say, though, all of the themes that I've heard this evening are very much attest to from our point of view as well. There is no doubt that, certainly in terms of the style of platform and the move towards Netflix, is the right direction that many of our current clients and hopefully new clients will be taking. And we're looking forward to doing that with you as well. So thank you so much.